Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a March edition 1.4 litre TDI 75 PS. The car stands out and it has a good spec as well, including cruise control, a hydraulic brake assist, front and rear parking sensors, an automatic post-collision brake, hill hold control, a brake assist, an anti-lock braking system, rear tinted windows, and these 15-inch steel wheels. The boot as well is a good size, and it comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a composition media system, a colour touchscreen, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.